Let's get right into it. Today we're unpacking a really fascinating, almost hidden biological connection in this explainer. We're looking at the link between the exact quality of your sleep and stubborn hormonal weight gain. Honestly, if you've ever felt like your metabolism is just completely working against you, you are definitely in the right place.
So let's dive into this incredibly relatable mystery. You know the drill, right? You're doing everything perfectly. You're super meticulous in the kitchen, you're sweating it out at the gym every single day, but nothing. Your body just feels trapped in this metabolic stall. The scale literally won't budge, and yeah, it is incredibly frustrating.
Well, there's a really powerful idea we need to embrace to solve this. We actually need to stop blaming our willpower and instead start looking at our pillows. Because what the latest research is telling us is that undiagnosed sleep poverty might actually be secretly sabotaging your entire diet. Weight loss isn't just some simple math equation of calories in versus calories out. It's deeply rooted in what happens after you close your eyes.
To solve this metabolic mystery today, we'll quickly cover the sleep-wake connection, that crazy hormonal domino effect, insulin resistance, deep sleep recovery, and finally, how to reset your rhythm.
Okay, starting with part 1, the metabolic mystery. What actually happens to our bodies when we cut that nightly recovery short?
You know, we live in this modern hustle culture where running on empty is kind of worn as a badge of honor, but biologically speaking, this creates a state of what we call sleep poverty. When you're staying up late, maybe just scrolling on your phone, your brain literally perceives that extended wakefulness as a full-blown crisis. It hits the panic button, triggers a biological emergency, and locks your fat cells tight. Your endocrine system is suddenly forced to prioritize basic survival over burning fat. And when your body thinks it's in danger like that, traditional calorie counting becomes virtually useless.
Which brings us to part 2. Let's actually meet the specific hormones hijacking your diet when you're sleep deprived.
First up, we've got cortisol. You probably know it as the stress hormone. Now, normally, cortisol should drop nicely in the evening so you can wind down. But skipping sleep keeps those nighttime cortisol levels totally spiked. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is that high nighttime cortisol mimics chronic stress in the body. It basically traps you in fight or flight mode. And when you're in that state, deep relaxation, and specifically fat burning, is physiologically impossible. It's a straight path to storing stubborn belly fat.
Next up, meet your appetite switches, leptin and ghrelin. You can think of leptin as your body's stop sign. It's the hormone telling your brain, hey, we're full, we're good. Ghrelin is the total opposite. It's the green light. It rings the hunger alarm. Well, poor sleep actively suppresses that fullness switch, meaning leptin drops, while completely cranking your hunger alarm, ghrelin, all the way up to 10.
When you compare a fully rested body to a sleep-deprived one, the behavioral shift is honestly dramatic. Pulling an all-nighter, or even just scraping by on 4 hours of broken sleep, fundamentally alters your brain's decision-making centers. Your brain gets desperate for quick energy. Suddenly, high-carb, high-fat junk food feels absolutely irresistible. And the crazy part? It's not a lack of discipline at all. It is a profound, undeniable biochemical drive.
And clinical lab data measuring this exact thing backs it up perfectly. Restricting your sleep reliably tanks our satiety hormone, leptin, by up to 18%, all while simultaneously jacking up our appetite. You are literally fighting a losing battle against your own neurochemistry when you try to diet while sleep-deprived. Then there's insulin, our blood sugar balancer. Its main job is shuttling glucose from your bloodstream into your cells to use for energy. But poor sleep makes your cells incredibly stubborn. They become much less sensitive to that insulin. Since the cells aren't listening, your poor pancreas has to pump out even more insulin just to force the blood sugar down. When insulin gets all confused and elevated like this, your body gets amazing at storing fat and just terrible at burning it. Let's look at part 3, the actual evidence behind insulin resistance. Just how quickly does this whole hormonal domino effect ruin our metabolic function? Well, in a landmark study out of the University of Chicago, researchers wanted to see exactly how fast things go off the rails. What they found was pretty shocking. There was a 15 to 30% increase in late-night and early morning fatty acid levels in the blood after just 3 nights of sleeping 4 hours. Just 3 nights. And those elevated fatty acids, they actively block insulin from doing its job. Because of that blockage, the ability of whatever insulin you do have to regulate blood glucose completely plummets by 23%. So in a matter of mere days, perfectly healthy young men were plunged right into a temporary pre-diabetic state, simply by cutting their sleep in half.
When you analyze the HOMA index data from the study, which is a direct measurement of insulin resistance, it's wild. The insulin resistance spikes massively after just a few days of 4-hour restricted sleep compared to fully rested profiles. Your metabolism is visibly, measurably struggling to process energy when it hasn't had enough rest.
Moving into Part 4, Metabolic Recovery. If missing sleep causes all this chaos, how does the body actually go about fixing it?
You can think of Stage 3 slow-wave deep sleep as your body's midnight mechanic. This is that critical window where growth hormone is finally released. Growth hormone is what induces fat burning, rebuilds your muscles, and takes care of overall cellular repair. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. The longest, most important phase of Stage 3 sleep naturally occurs before midnight. So if you're consistently delaying your bedtime past midnight, you're literally suppressing the largest, most critical pulse of this essential fat-burning hormone.
Let's look at a really fascinating comparison to see how this builds up over time. A recent study actually compared staying awake for 24 hours straight against just restricting sleep to 4 hours a night for 4 nights. The results were completely stunning. The chronic restriction, just cutting your sleep short for a few days, was actually more detrimental to energy metabolism and caused worse insulin resistance than staying awake for an entire 24 hours. Chronic sleep restriction really is a silent metabolic killer.
Finally, Part 5, Resetting Your Rhythm. Now that we've uncovered the mystery of this hormonal trap, let's map out exactly how to reclaim your metabolism.
You know, our modern lifestyle is constantly fighting millions of years of evolutionary biology. Modern artificial light, especially that harsh blue light from our screens, totally wrecks our natural melatonin secretion. That's why we have to actively create a sunset routine. Melatonin isn't just a sleep hormone, by the way. It's deeply tied to metabolic recovery. We have to manage this light toxicity and actively lower systemic inflammation before our heads even hit the pillow.
So here is your actionable game plan. Number 1, ruthlessly protect that 7 to 9 hour sleep window. Seriously. Number 2, create a total cave environment. Cool, dark, and quiet. Dropping your core body temperature is actually a biological trigger for deep sleep. Number 3, avoid heavy meals and screens in the hours right before bed so your body isn't busy digesting or processing bright light when it should be powering down. And finally, think about getting some magnesium-rich foods in your diet which naturally help calm the whole nervous system. Just following these simple steps lets your body shift safely back into that restorative, fat-burning deep sleep.
We've seen the data today, and it's undeniable. Your diet and exercise routines, they are literally only as effective as the hormonal foundation you build while you're resting. You simply cannot out-train or out-diet a broken circadian rhythm. Honestly, prioritizing your sleep quality might just be the ultimate, most overlooked weight loss solution we have. So knowing that sleep is the master biological switch controlling your entire metabolism, will you look at your pillow a little differently tonight? Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Here's to better sleep and much better health.